Hey there, creative soul. Have you ever felt stuck, like you've lost your creative spark or just don't know where to start? Today we're diving into a step-by-step art therapy exercise designed to help you uncover your creative passion. Whether you're an artist, a total beginner, or just someone looking for a new way to de-stress, this exercise will help you reconnect with your creativity in a fun and freeing way. So grab a journal, some art supplies, and let's get started. Let's start with some simple but powerful free flow journaling. This is one of the easiest ways to tap into your creative mind. Free flow journaling is all about putting pen to paper and letting your thoughts spill out without judgment. No overthinking, no editing, just writing whatever comes to mind. Set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes. Pick a prompt like, "What inspires me?" or "When do I feel most creative?" And just write. It doesn't have to make sense. This technique helps clear mental clutter and gets your subconscious ideas flowing onto the page. If you feel stuck, just keep your pen moving. Trust me. The more you do this, the more you'll start noticing patterns in what excites and inspires you creatively. Now, let's bring some colour into the mix. We're going to do a mind map with doodles. A mind map is like a brainstorming session for creative passion, but instead of just words, you can add drawings, symbols, or colours to represent different ideas. Take a big sheet of paper, write "My creative passion" in the centre, and start branching out with anything that comes to mind. Music, nature, movement, emotions, whatever speaks to you. Don't be afraid to draw little icons or symbols to make it more visual. The goal here isn't to make a masterpiece, but to see where your energy naturally flows. You might be surprised at what shows up. Next, we're going abstract, literally. We're going to create an intuitive painting based on emotions. Intuitive painting is all about expressing yourself through colours, shapes, and textures without a plan. Pick colours that resonate with how you're feeling or how you want to feel. Use your hands, a brush, or even a sponge, whatever feels right. Let the process be messy, emotional, and free-flowing. There's no right or wrong. This is such a powerful way to explore your inner world. And guess what? Your creative passion often hides in the emotions that surface while doing this. If you struggle coming up with your own ideas, you can grab my free 5-day mixed media art challenge. It's linked below in the description. Let's tap into childhood creativity, because kids create without fear. This exercise is all about embracing play and curiosity, like when we were kids making art just for fun. Grab unconventional materials, magazines for collage, household objects for stamping, or even finger paints. The goal is to break the idea of perfect art and just have fun. If you feel resistance, that's normal. Pushing past it can reveal what kind of creative expression excites you the most. Finally, let's create a creative manifesto to keep your passion alive. A creative manifesto is a short personal statement about what creativity means to you and how you want to embrace it. Write down a few sentences that inspire you. For example, "I create for joy, not perfection," or "Art is my safe space." Decorate it however you like, paint it, collage it, or even turn it into a vision board. Having a manifesto helps ground your creative journey and keeps you inspired on days when self-doubt creeps in. And there you have it, 5 simple but powerful ways to uncover your creative passion through art therapy. Whether you journal, paint, collage or doodle, the key is to experiment and enjoy the process. Creativity isn't about being good at something, it's about expression, exploration and joy. So go grab your art supplies and start playing. You never know what creative magic is waiting to be discovered. And if you're up for a challenge, grab my 5-day art challenge freebie to keep you going for the next week. See you in the next one.